If convenience is on top of your list, you're gonna love this one. Hi, this is Varsha from Raywhite and welcome to Riverstone. Whether you're starting out, downsizing, or investing, you'll appreciate the 3 spacious bedroom, a fully functional layout, and a low-maintenance backyard that will make you fall in love with this property. I hope you enjoyed the property tour. I'll see you at the open home.